for number 1, it says determine whether each relationship is proportional by graphing on the coordinate plane. Explain your reasoning. So I drew out the graph down here in the bottom right of the screen. Reminder, this is your x, this is your y values, this is your y, and this is your x-axis. So then you would know where to graph everything else. Make sure you label your time, your first ordered pair. So again, what this really is it's saying 4, 5. This is really 6, 10, and so on. So over 4, up 5 is right here. Over 6, up 10 is right here. Over 8, up 15. And over 10, up 20. Try to do your best that you can with graphing. And even I am not that perfect. Now, here's the thing. Worst case scenario. So you're looking at this and you're saying, I don't know, did that really go through the origin? If you're not sure, you can always check the ratio, the constant ratio there. Did they all reduce to be the same thing? No? They don't? What did they reduce to? Okay, so did yours go through the origin? No. And that's the hard part. It's kind of hard to tell with graphing on here. I'm going to give you, though, a graph paper, so hopefully that'll help out a little bit. Was it that, your line stay straight, though? Yeah, it just didn't go through the origin, correct? Okay, so then you would say that the distance, so again, your y, is not proportional to the minutes, and it's because the line did not do what? Yeah, it didn't go through the origin. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and look at number 4 now. So, it says the number of students on a school trip is proportional to the number of teachers as shown on the graph. So we already know it's proportional. Find and interpret the constant of proportionality. Remember, the constant proportionality we said is 1, r. So whatever r is, or whatever the y value is, when the x value is 1, is going to tell you what your constant of proportionality is. So what is the x or the y value when x is 1? Who can tell us? 25. So your constant of proportionality, I would write it as 25 over 1. Okay. The next question then is, explain. And interpret it. What does interpret it mean? What does interpreting that mean? What would 25 over 1 or 25 mean? Yeah.
It would mean like there's one teacher for every 25 students.
And I would usually read it the opposite. I'd say there's 20, or for every 25 students, there's one teacher. But I understand what you were saying. Then it goes on to say, explain what 0.001, 25 mean and 4, 100 mean. Let's just cross this one off so we only have 2 to explain. What does 0, 0 mean? Yep.
For every 0 teacher and 0 students.
Okay, I would have said it the opposite. For every 0 students, when there are 0 students, you need 0 teachers. Which makes sense, right? What about the 4, 100? What would that represent? Yeah.
For every 100 students, there are